Today we are going to see plant kingdom previous year NEET questions. So the first question is Pinus seed cannot germinate and establish without fungal association. This is because its embryo is immature. No. Its seed contain inhibitor that promote germination. No. It has an obligate association with mycorrhiza is the correct answer. Myco yani fungus and rhiza meaning root. It has a very hard seed coat. No. Second question, from the evolutionary point of view, retention of the female gametophyte with a developing young embryo on the parent sporophyte for some time is first observed in, so this is first observed in pteridophyte. Which of the following statement is correct? The horsetail are gymnosperm. So the horsetail is not a gymnosperm but it is a pteridophyte. The ovules are not enclosed by ovary wall in gymnosperm. This is correct answer. Stems are usually unbranched in both Cycas and Cedrus. So actually stems are branched in case of the Cedrus but unbranched in case of the Cycas. So this statement is correct that the stems are usually unbranched in Cycas but in Cedrus it is branched. Selaginella is a heterosporous while Salvinia is homosporous. So actually Selaginella as well as Salvinia both are heterosporous. They produce two types of spores. One is macrospores and one is microspore. Fourth question, which one is wrongly matched? Gamma cups merchantia. So merchantia, this belongs to bryophytes and it is a liverwort. So this is correct. Uniflagellated gametes in Polysiphonia. So Polysiphonia, the gametes do not contain flagella. So in Polysiphonia, the gametes do not contain flagella. It's a red algae and sexual reproduction is formation of the non-motile gamete. So in Polysiphonia. Unicellular organism is chlorella. This is also correct. And biflagellated zoospores, brown algae. This is also correct. So the wrong, which is incorrectly matched, is this one. Uniflagellated gametes in Polysiphonia. Actually, Polysiphonia do not contain flagella in its gametes. So the gametes of the Polysiphonia does not contain flagella. An example of colonial algae is. So an example of colonial algae is Volvex. Select the mismatch. Equisetum homosporous. Correct. Pinus is dioecious. Wrong. Cycas is dioecious. Correct. Salvinia is heterosporous. Correct. So the Pinus, it is not dioecious, it is monoecious plant, meaning the Pinus male and the female cones or the stabili are born on the same plant. So the cones and the stabili which are born on the same plant in Pinus. Zygotic meiosis is characteristic of Chlamydomonas is the correct answer. So actually Chlamydomonas, the zygote divides by meiosis, that is reduction division. Which of the following gametophyte is not independent free living? So the answer to this question is Pinus. So in gymnosperm like Pinus, the male and the female gamete do not have an independent free living gametophyte. Conifers are adapted to tolerate extreme environment condition because of thick cuticle. So actually in conifers they have needle-like leaves. They will be having needle-like leaves with thick cuticle and sunken stomata which helps them to tolerate extreme environment condition. Which one of the following statement is wrong? Agar-agar is obtained from Galladium and Gracilaria. This is correct. Laminaria and Sargassum are used as food. Correct. Algae increase the level of dissolved oxygen in immediate environment. This is also correct. Algin is obtained from a red algae and carrageen from brown algae. This statement is wrong. Actually, algin it is obtained from a brown algae, whereas carrageen's it is obtained from a red algae. So you can remember this by A, B and C, R.